Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's where Appearance affects live. Tap Wallpaper now. You want the screen that shows your current lock and home wallpapers. Once there, select the wallpaper in use, then tap Edit Appearance. This opens the panel with the liquid glass option. You need to see the toggle before proceeding. Make sure your phone is unlocked and not in low power mode, since that can hide some visual controls. Now you're ready for the actual toggle change. Now that the effect panel is visible, find Liquid Glass in Effects. It's listed with other motion and depth settings. Tap the toggle to switch it off. You'll see the preview update instantly so you can confirm the look. If your lock screen and home screen have separate controls, make sure you disable Liquid Glass for both, otherwise it may remain on one. Once done, tap Done or Save to apply. Make sure you watch the preview, because that's how you verify the change. Finish by tapping Save or Done, and then return to the home and lock screens to confirm the effect is gone. If Liquid Glass still appears, restart your iPhone. Simple reboots clear cached visuals. If the problem persists, make sure iOS is up to date, because a bug can prevent toggles from applying. As a final step, reset display settings only. This preserves data while restoring visual controls. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes stubborn visuals without a full device restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.